what's happening? How to cook a turkey for Thanksgiving. 2 boxes of chicken stock, a bunch of celery, like 1 stalk, but cut it like this. Make sure you're putting all this in a heavy duty pan because the aluminum foil pan is too flimsy and all the ingredients will fall out. You need onions and garlic with the skin on for more flavor, and I'll tell you why. First, take out everything that's inside the turkey. Get your thyme, and this is how you take out the herbs from the stick. Easy. This is for your 3 sticks of softened butter, a whole bulb of garlic, salt, pepper, and zest of lemons and orange. Fill the hole with some of the vegetables. Make sure it's breast side up. Important to pat it dry with a paper towel. Salt and pepper around the turkey on top. Now get your herb butter mixture and put it right in between the skin and the meat. You need to pull it and separate it real good and put in that butter and spread it around. And try to get the leg too as well. Now you're gonna get your foil. You're gonna put it on top of the drumstick like shoes so the oven doesn't burn the feet. Put the turkey in the oven for 3 hours. Baste the turkey every 25 minutes. That's why you leave the skin on, because all you need is stock for the gravy. And enjoy your Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. I love you. Bougie macaroni and cheese, part 2. Time to drain out the water.
Oh, fuck!
Save some of that pasta water for the sauce. Put your macaroni in a different pan. Melt in the stick of butter, which is unsalted. Put in your alfredo truffle sauce. I got this one from Target. Mix it around. Put a whole can of tomato paste. A whole bag of jack cheddar blend cheese. Blend it around until this consistency. Look at that. Ooh, cheesy. Salt and pepper for more taste. Pick it up, and this is how thick it's supposed to be. Thickums. Pour over that beautiful sauce on top of the macaroni and cheese it up as well. Put it in the oven for 15 minutes on 350 degrees. And enjoy it in Thanksgiving.
Hey, what's happening?
JORI MEZUDA.